The 4 things you must do to break any addiction. You must change pain and pleasure. Now, human nature is about avoiding pain and seeking pleasure. Let me show you what I mean. If you put your hand on a red hot oven ring and you burn yourself, you go, "Ooh, that's painful. I'm not going to put my hand back on a red hot oven ring." So we have this inbuilt ability to try and avoid pain. Now, most things in life, there's an element of pain. We'll call it pain, right? Before you get pleasure. We go to work, we'll call that pain. To get paid, to be able to buy nice things, we'll call that pleasure. You learn to drive a car, we'll call that pain. To have the freedom to get from A to B, we'll call that pleasure. That's how most things life in work. But when you have an addiction, there's a perception of pleasure first, the pain comes later. Whether it's using and the perception of pleasure, and then the aftermath at the 3, 4 in the morning of, "Oh my gosh, what have I done?" They're the wrong way round. Now, in order to successfully break any addiction, you have to learn how to change pain and pleasure back. So you're reminded of the pain before there's any perception of pleasure. Because if you were reminded of the pain that you felt 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours after you started using that substance, you would not use it. So number 2, you must change pain and pleasure the right way round.